Fight me then. Hit it. Hey everybody, it's your favorite friend, Blonde Richie. Welcome to my channel. Come on in, child. Come on in. Don't forget to take off your shoes, child. Because we got some new up in here. And today, I am dyeing my hair green before I cut the shit off. So I'm not cutting all of my hair off. What I'm going to do is I'm letting my hair grow out. And eventually, I'm cutting these blonde bits off. But you know, they're raggedy, they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing, they just not living for me, and I'm not living for it. So I'm just gonna let my hair grow out and let it shed out on its own. As you can see, it's pretty much shedded out a lot on its own. But yeah, eventually I'm just gonna cut it off. Don't get it twisted. Once it falls out, I'm bleaching it again. So I thought, if I'm gonna cut it off, why not just dye the color that I thought that I would never ever dye my hair? And the color that we're using today, baby, is Emerald Green by Kiss Tintation. This is a really pretty green. It's like a bluish green. It's not like a true green, in my opinion, if it looks like what's on the label. Now with this color, it doesn't seem like it's a true green, but I'm just not like a green boy. The only type of green I like is money. I don't wear a lot of green. Green is just not a color that attracts me, but I found this at that cool Walgreens sale. There's a video back there, and I was like, okay, for like $3 I'll pick it up. So I'm going to use this, and I'm actually really excited about it because I thought it was actually a deeper green than this, but this is really nice. So you already know what we're going to do. We are going to do this in the deep condition method, and we're going to dye these blonde parts emerald green. So let's go ahead and start the process of dyeing my hair emerald green. Now, y'all should know the deep condition method by now, but we got a couple of new subscribers, so I want to show you guys how I apply my semi-permanent hair colors. Okay, you guys, for this method, you're going to use a bowl, a mixing brush, your semi-permanent hair color, which I would recommend either this Kiss or Adore. Those are the only two I've tried this method with, so that's the two brands of color I know that will work with this method. But yes, Kiss or Adore, any color, and you can mix as many colors as you want. And you're gonna use a white conditioner. Has to be white. Make sure your conditioner is white when you do this method, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to pour in the amount of conditioner that you're going to need for your hair inside of the bowl. I always do too much. And this is the Shea Moisture Mangongo Hemp Seed Oil High Porosity Moisture Correct Mask. This is not my favorite conditioner, you guys. I'm just using it so I can get rid of it because you know I don't like to waste stuff. And then you're going to add in your color. Do as much or do as little or as lot as you want. If you want the color to be light, maybe look a little bit like pastel, then you're gonna just put a little sprinkle drinkle in it. You see how light that is, right? Now that's if you want it to be that color, but we don't want it that color. We want it to be rich and full, so we're gonna put a light in there. But let's see if we do a little bit more, what color we'll get. This is looking really blue. Very blue. Very blue. Okay, but we want to try to get that emerald green color, so let's go ahead and just squirt a bunch in there. This is looking really blue, you guys. starting to see it now, maybe. Hold on, still blue. Shake it up, bitch. Okay. And once you get your desired color, just go ahead and do your final stir. Make sure that the deep conditioner is all incorporated with the dye. And then you can go ahead and start slapping this baby boy on your head, child. Now back to me. Okay, so the color is ready and we're gonna go ahead and just slap this baby boy on. Why the hell it looks so damn blue? That's beyond me. But it really ain't none of my business either. Actually, it is my business, right? This is my channel. I'm showing you a tutorial. And the color should come out the way it should come out. But it might surprise us. So, there we go. It looks really blue. I don't know why it looks blue. Let me try using a little bit straight out the bottle to see like what color I would get, because let me put it on my hands, because I'm getting blue. I'm getting blue. I'm not getting green at all. Yeah, see, there's no difference. I don't see a difference. So, let's go ahead and finish. Like to do it. And yes, I'm putting it on my black hair too, because my whole head needs a deep condition. Oh shoot, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to wet my hair a little bit. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Wet my hair just a tad, just so the conditioner can be applied on a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of this in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the color is all in. It looks blue to me. Now the bottle don't necessarily say emerald green. It says emerald. I'm gonna put a picture up what an emerald look like, okay? Right here. And look, it stained my hands. I look like a damn Smurf. What the hell? Anyway, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 45 minutes to an hour, and I'll be back with the results. Hey everybody, I am back, and these are the final results. I went ahead and I put in some styling products, got my curl game on. Ew. Got my curl game on, and I'm really loving this wash and go. It's not completely dry because it's 9 o'clock at night right now, and I need to be in bed in about an hour. But these are my thoughts on this Tintation Emerald. Baby, this is not emerald. This is more like sapphire. Like, this is, to me, it just looks really, really. Hey y'all, just a little editor's note. I just want you guys to see what my hair really looks like, and in real life and in the sunlight, it is giving you that emerald vibe. So even though I did like it as that blue, I'm really glad that it came out like the way that it does look like the bottle. So yeah. It does not look like the bottle. It looks more like a sapphire. It does not look like an emerald. But while I'm complaining, I actually really do love the color. I love the color a lot. And in different lights in my house, it did look like this. So I don't know, maybe it looks like that in the sunlight. I'm not sure. Maybe this was like a bad bottle or something. Maybe the wrong color was put in this bottle. I don't know. I told you I got it on discount at goddamn Walgreens. So, I mean, I don't know. But even though it didn't come out the way that I wanted to come out, I'm still satisfied. I'm still happy with it. I really do like this color. Yeah. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, anything that you want to ask me about my hair coloring techniques, my hair coloring tips, just go ahead, write it in the comments, and make sure that you subscribe to this mother channel and you share it. And you let all your friends know who your favorite friend is. It's me, of course. Who else would it be? Nobody other than me. Until next time, which won't be long from now. And I have a special guest coming in one of my next videos. Like my Smurf hands? Look at this. I look like I'm like frostbitten. Bye. I'm ready to go to sleep. You gotta look back at it.